Bored.
Because I want to. This is really cool.
What,
Look.
me pouring gasoline onto this?
No, you're not cool. I mean this area, like, look.
Wait, now you have to insult me.
It's like super cool out here. It looks like someone's gonna come and kill us.
Well, you have fun with that then.
And you said to watch out for snakes. And you pour gasoline right there. You're an idiot.
Yeah? Huh?
That's Grandpa.
Well, too late now.
He's very dangerous. He's very dangerous with the flashlight. In case
Oh.
this make a explosion. And what do you do now with this?
Oh, I was about to close it.
No. You need why you need gas for?
You know the mailbox?
No, not do that today. You do that tomorrow. You got all day tomorrow. When you can see, when it's not too hot, you can do that.
Oh.
But not do that. You never put it close to the fire with something hot because this thing is very dangerous.
Alright. So I guess I'll leave this in the laundry room then.
Yeah, leave it alone. Leave it there. It's fine.
Alright, right here then.
No, put it there. The trees, the trees die. Never put gasoline.
Alright.
Okay, leave it.
You're murder.
Alright. Got it.
Okay.
Never use this with the guys is very dangerous.
Okay, bye.
You do that tomorrow.
Let's go.
Not today. It's too late.
Okay,
Alright?
let's go. Okay.
Hey, make sure you put in your shoes because carry